Okay, in this video, I'd like to talk about squaring the circle and cubing the sphere. Recently, they've released these Tic Tac UFO videos, and they can't figure out what's going on, and I'm going to explain it to you very simply here. Let's get started. Okay. This comes from David Sereda. If you haven't checked out his work, please check out his work. He's brilliant. He says that the square of a circle and the cube of a sphere, okay, so that's his title. He says the diameter of a circle times 1.618, which is Fibonacci, equals the GRT, or golden rectangle triangle. The area of a triangle equals the area of a circle. Okay, so what he's saying is that today's pi r squared doesn't square the circle. It gives an approximation of the area of the circle. The height of the Great Pyramid at 51 degrees 51 minutes is equal in cubic volume to a sphere of the same height. They have the same cubic volume. The square of the circle is equal to the diameter of a circle times phi, or 1.618. And that gives you your GRT, your golden rectangle triangle, equals area of a circle. He says that E equals mc squared is energy times mass times light speed squared is wrong because you're squaring and cubing the wrong numbers. One of the many flaws in this guy's deal. So, this is what David Strait is talking about. He says that E equals mc squared is wrong because you're squaring and cubing the formula using the wrong numbers. Okay, at the equator, the diameter of the Earth equals 12,756.32 kilometers. A kilometer is 1,000 meters. A meter is 100 centimeters. Okay, true phi is 1.6180339,887. Okay, in the Fibonacci, here's your Fibonacci golden sequence numbers. And it runs like that. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, 233. The ratio of the lower number into the higher number is 1 to 1.6180339,887. Okay, what he's saying is that modern pi is 3.1415926535897. A crop circle pi is 3.141592653. Egyptian pi is 3.1428571428571. He says that Egyptian pi is finite, where modern pi is infinite. Okay? Egyptian pi is more correct. The pyramid is the end result of the square of the circle and the cube of the sphere, which is what you're seeing in the Tic Tac UFOs. You're seeing the sphere with that cube inside of it. Okay. So, the pyramid is the end result. And here's how it works. You have 50% of the golden rectangle cut is the center of the circle. Okay, equals the square of the circle, or the golden rectangle. You have three expressions of the square of the circle from the phi rectangle. You have the area of the golden triangle, 50% of the rectangle, another rectangle, and you also have the area of the pyramid, which equals the area of the circle squared. So this is how this whole thing looks right there. Like you said, the pyramid is the end result of the square of the circle and the cube of the sphere. The cube of the sphere is what you're seeing in that tic tac. That's what you got. And this is how a dendera bulb is set up right here, using those angles. 60 degrees in nature forms six-sided geometry, like a snowflake or a hexagram. The dendera bulbs are held at a 30-degree angle. The pyramid is the square of the circle in 2D, and in 3D, it's the cube of the sphere. This is what I'm getting at. That's what the tic tac is showing you. Let me say that again. The pyramid is the square of the circle in 2D, and in 3D, it's the cube of the sphere. And that's what we're looking at. We're always seeing in 3D. So the sphere will have the same volume at the same height as the pyramid. And it says that the pyramid is a sphere with the same height and the same volume. Okay, so that's how this whole tic tac thing is working. And that's what it is. The cube of the sphere. That cube inside the sphere that you see in the field, that tic tac is producing. That's how this whole thing's operating. Remember, everything's running off that 0 point. It's like at the zero of a magnet, there's no magnetism. It's like at the zero of this magnet, there's no magnetism. It's straight dielectric, straight counter space, straight dielectricity. Everything out here on the periphery is the magnetism. Just like a explosion. There's your Big Bang right there. It's all emanating from the center, where there's supposedly nothing. So that's how, and that's what this tic tac thing is doing. Remember, it's just using this space and counter space. You got two things. You got space, which is magnetism, visible light. You got counter space, which is dielectricity, or the dielectric. Then you got the plane of inertia in between. Positive, negative, neutral. That's what you got. You got three things. 3, 6, 9. Everything's triplicate, not duality. Don't be fooled. Thanks for watching.